The lot on this out-of-town home is deep, really deep. There's the double garage, an extra garage for your toys, and this land for gardening, for lawn games, or just for lawn and space, all the way back to behind that storage trailer. .329 US Route 1, Callis Road, is just outside of town. Deep lot, private well, your own septic. The kitchen stove and refrigerator stay. The kitchen's fairly modern. The windows are the vinyl tilt-in easy clean kind. The house is vinyl sided. You could have a little desk underneath the stairway. This is your living room with a pellet stove. The kitchen had a vinyl floor. The living room and hall is all laminate. This gets a lot of light. This is the east side of the house. That's a Breckwith pellet stove, only 2 years old. Does a great job. It'll heat the whole house. There's an oil hot air furnace in the basement. Let's check out the rooms upstairs. There's 3 of them. The front bedroom is a big one. Lots of windows, a big square footage. When it's a kid's room, paint it whatever color the kid wants. They've got the nicest son. He's 6 years old. This is bedroom number 2. It too has a closet. That window's on the west side that overlooks a really big yard. See what we mean? There's an extra garage behind the double garage. There's a storage trailer on the back of the lot. It's a deep lot. One more bedroom at 329 US Route 1 or Court Street. It's used more as a 3rd bedroom or a den. You might telecommute and work out of this room. That's your home at 329 US Route 1, Houlton, Maine. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thanks for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate Channel.